Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue frosting. Start with the foundational elements for a perfect meringue frosting. You'll need 3 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. The success of your frosting hinges on clean equipment, so thoroughly wash and dry your mixing bowl and whisk. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks. Even a small amount of yolk can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Now, let's get those egg whites airy and voluminous. Start by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they turn foamy. Then, slowly incorporate the granulated sugar, adding it 1 tablespoon at a time while the mixer is running. Increase the speed to high and continue whipping until the mixture forms stiff, glossy peaks and all the sugar has completely dissolved, which usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. To create a more stable and silky meringue, gently heat the egg white and sugar mixture. Place your bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk continuously until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately transfer this warm mixture to a stand mixer. Whip on high speed until it cools and forms very stiff, glossy peaks, taking 10 to 15 minutes. Once your meringue is stiff and cool, it's time to finish it. For a Swiss meringue buttercream, gradually add 2 sticks of softened, unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time, whipping until smooth. Now, you can fold in your favorite flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a half teaspoon of almond extract. Your beautiful meringue frosting is ready to use immediately or can be stored for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.